Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.4, Problem 8. This is Section 2.4, Problem 8. It says multiply the fractions, and we have 1 1/3 times 2/3. So the 1 1/3 gives us a little bit of a problem. I want to multiply top times top, bottom times bottom, but the 1 1/3 has more than just a top and a bottom. So I have to rewrite the 1 1/3 as an improper fraction. A fraction with only a numerator and a denominator, and the numerator will be larger than the denominator. So to do that conversion, if you remember, you multiply the denominator times the whole number in front. So I will multiply 3 times 1, which is equal to 3. Take that result and then add the result to the top. So that would be the 3 I got as a result plus the 1 that is the numerator. So 3 plus 1 more is 4, and the denominator stays the same. So 1 1/3 is equivalent to 4/3, and then the times 2/3 on the end is fine the way it is. So now if I multiply top times top, or numerator times numerator, 4 times 2 is 8, and then denominator times denominator, and 3 times 3 is 9, I get 8/9. And now when you multiply and you get a fraction, you do want to check and see if you can reduce that. Are there any numbers you can find that will divide into both 8 and 9 evenly? And the answer is no. That's as far as it can be reduced, 8/9.